Gaggle of kittens. Hello. There's so many of them. All stealing my water. Oh, watch out. And then Jimothy all over me. I missed you guys, but you guys don't have ringworm. You guys didn't get ringworm, so I'm so happy, and now you're free because you don't have to be quarantined anymore. No ringworm babies. Oh my goodness, look at these guys. Hello, Ego. Oh, she likes you. She likes me too. And then of course there's little Timothy. Oh, hi. Sniff, sniff. He's hurting my arm.
I'm sorry, there you go. All right. Okay.
What?
Any other chance before I go? Because I haven't been anywhere.
I know you guys have been starving for attention. Oh, what's this, Timothy? Are you going to go say hi? I'm going to go sniff it out?
You too. You too. Yeah.
What are you guys doing to my water?
Awful mellow.
Are you trying to drink it like people?
Quiet.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Hello. Are you back?
Yeah.
Oh, Timothy. You're so silly. You're so snotty. Oh, crusty man. Yeah.